Hi, we are going to show you StartingPoint's project management module. StartingPoint is a service management and delivery platform for companies and teams. What we'll do now is we'll log in as your team member or an employee of your company. Let's log in. We are now logged into the StartingPoint interface for team members and employees. What we'll do is we'll come to the left and we'll select projects. And projects will allow you to create different projects that this team member or employee is tracking. It's extremely simple and very easy to use. We'll scroll down and we'll see previously created projects here that we have. But we'll also come up and we'll create a project. So we'll create a project name. We'll say demo project video. And we'll select a project date. And we'll add the project. Very simple to do. Now with this, you'll see successfully created. We'll come down and we'll see demo project video. We can now create a project description. So we'll say recording project management module. That's now completed. And it's updated. Now what we'll do is we'll show tasks. So now we're able to create individual tasks for each of the projects. So we'll say task 1, and we'll add a date to when it's due to be completed. Very simple. And then what we'll do is we'll also create task 2. Very simple for both. So now we have 2 tasks for the project and we have the ability to do a few additional things here. We can leave a comment on the task and this allows us to add a comment if we want to. We can also add a subtask or we can delete the task overall. So now what we'll do is we'll put sample task. That's updated. We'll also create a subtask too. So let's create a subtask. We'll come up, we'll see type your subtask description, subtask 1, and we'll say this will be due to Wednesday before the due date of overall task, and we'll hit add subtask. Now once that's added, you'll now see the subtask is listed there. You can add multiple subtasks and it's extremely simple to do so. So that's task 2. And we'll make that due on the 18th. And now that task is added as well. So now you've got the overall task for the project and you've got 2 additional subtasks that need to be completed. You can also add comments on each of the subtasks if you would like. So let's do that now. Once we add a comment to a subtask, say, testing completion, we're also able to drop a file here and save it, and that file will go in your file library, and we can log the time spent on that specific subtask. We'll hit send, and now you'll see that this task has been updated, the date and time, who created the subtask, the comment around it, and how much time was created. You'll also see how much time was now spent on that task, and you can still see the additional subtasks that are there. Now, once we go back, what we'll do is we'll actually complete subtask 1, or subtask 2, and subtask 1. Now you'll see that task 1 is completed for the project. So we'll go back to the Projects tab, and we'll take a look at the project itself. And you'll see that the bar is now 50% project completed, simply because we had 2 tasks for the project and 1 task is now completed. So as you're the owner of the business, the founder of the business, the managing director, the CEO, Anybody monitoring the progress of this project will now be able to see its completion state. That is StartingPoint's project management module. Thank you.